Hey guys, today I would like to talk about this S Pen. How this S Pen make your phone much better. Alright, so let's get the video rolling. Off-screen memo will be my first thing I would like to teach you. Basically is, if you actually want to write anything down right away, all you have to do is pull your S Pen, start writing. And then when you finish, put back your S Pen, and then that's it. It will save inside your S Note. One of the good things about the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus is they actually recognize what you write. So all you have to do is go to the search bar and start searching words by letters, and they actually will recognize what you wrote on your S Note. And then that's pretty cool, hey, because the Note 10 Plus and the Note 10, they actually recognize what you write. Doesn't matter how bad is your writing is. The second thing is called Smart Select. Have you used this before? Have you seen this before? Basically, using Smart Select will be much better than using buttons to do screenshots. It's because you can actually select whatever you want to do a screenshot. You don't have to do the full screenshot. You can just select whatever you want on the screen. Okay, if I want to do that picture, you just select that picture and you can share it without saving it. Okay, one of the good things about using Smart Select is you don't have to save the picture. You can directly share on a different apps like WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook, Instagram, anything like that without saving the picture inside your phone. That's very convenient. Okay, so the next one I need to teach you is called handwriting tricks. A lot of people still do not know about this, but I got to teach you. Basically, if you want to do handwriting, as you know, you can write anything you want. But one of the good things is, if you want to erase anything, all you have to do is, you just cross it out, it will erase everything. If you want to split the words or the letters, you just need to put a line between the words or the letter, it will split up eventually. So, let's just say if you have an entire sentences, you don't like that at all, you can just cross it out from the beginning to the end. It will erase everything. You don't have to press delete all the time. You just cross it out and that's it. That's all you have to do. Simple. Translating a language to another language is much easier with an S Pen. How is it? It's because there's a features for the S Pen. All you have to do is pull the menu and then select translate, and then you just point at the screen without touching the screen, and they will translate everything for you. You don't have to touch the screen. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is you select whatever the language you want to translate to, and that's it. That's how you do it. Translating in a different language will be much easier than download Google Translate or download a third-party apps, because the S Pen will do everything for you. Okay, so the next one I would like to teach you is a remote control. S Pen is actually a remote control. A lot of people didn't know about this until I started taking pictures. So basically, S Pen is a remote control for everything since the Note 9. Remote control for browsers, music players, movies, even cameras. I use it for cameras most of the time. You just need to click the button, which there's a button. You can control anything you want. Alright? So start using that because it's so much convenience, especially when you're taking pictures or you listen to music, volume up, volume down by using just the S Pen. Bixby Vision is my final features for you. I don't know how many people use this before, but Bixby Vision is actually pretty cool. You point at one picture and then they will give you lots of image related to that or similar to that, and then that's it from Pinterest. Okay, QR code or text I don't use that much, but I use it most of the time for pictures. They will give you similar color or pictures, but they basically do a lot of things for that picture. Okay, similar things, and then you just copy and paste and put it anything you want. That's how good Bixby Vision is. So there you go, guys. Here is my top 6 features for the S Pen. I don't know how many of them you use it, but it's very good. Okay, try to use them, get used to your Note 10 Plus, maximize the performance. It's really good. All right, Subscribe my channel, share this video, and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.